Hi, in this video we're going to look at Truthy and Falsy in JavaScript. In JavaScript, one of the primitive types is Boolean. A Boolean is a value that's either true or false. Additionally, every other value in JavaScript is either truthy or falsy. So this means that although the value is not true or false explicitly, the value can be considered as truthy or falsy. It's easier to recall the falsy values because there's fewer of these. Any value which is not falsy is truthy. The falsy values in JavaScript are as follows: false, 0, an empty string, nan, or not a number, null, and undefined. When you're working with conditionals, it's especially helpful to understand whether a value is truthy or falsy. Let's look at an example to clarify this. We'll start by declaring a variable called rValue, and we'll assign to this the string with the letter A. Then we'll use an if-else statement. So we'll say if rValue, and then we'll console log I am truthy. Then we'll say else, and console log I am falsy. When we run this, we get I am truthy because rValue is a string which contains something. Let's try this again, but this time we'll set rValue to a falsy value. So we'll change it from the string with the letter A to be not a number, so we'll use nan. Now when this runs, we get I am falsy. Using this approach is especially helpful when we're checking for empty values, as it saves us writing more code and using equality operators. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content.